Okay, now we're gonna go over the inner eye. So we have our eye model here, and we're gonna start with the anterior chamber. That is this space that is here. This anterior chamber is filled with aqueous humor and is found between the cornea and the iris. The posterior chamber cannot be easily seen on models, so we're going to show it mostly on pictures as seen here. This posterior chamber is found between the iris and the suspensory ligaments and is also filled with aqueous humor. Now we have this tough outer layer, which is called the fibrous tunic. This includes the sclera, which provides structural integrity, and also the cornea. Okay, this bump here is the cornea. It is the transparent front covering that helps us focus light. The sclera is all of the visible white part of the eye, shown here as a little bit more of a pale peach color. Next, we have the vascular tunic. Within the vascular tunic, we have the choroid, which is this purple area here. This is the layer between the sclera and the retina. Again, on models, the choroid is this purple area here. Okay, we're gonna open the models again to see some more things. Okay, as part of our vascular tunic, we have the ciliary body. This is this area here, this brown outer ring. Then we have the suspensory ligaments. The suspensory ligaments are these yellow lines shown here. Those are suspensory ligaments with our ciliary muscles on models being this darker brown area. Okay, so again, the suspensory ligaments are these wider lines, these yellowish wider lines that reach in towards the lens, okay? So this piece of plastic here is our lens. If we flip this over, we are now going to see the iris, which is our colored portion of the eye, which will change shape as we focus and control light. The pupil is the opening of the iris that allows light to enter the eye. And again, the lens is going to be found directly behind the pupil. We just opened up the eye. And so this main opening that we can see as we open this here, this is called the vitreous chamber. So this space here is the vitreous chamber that is filled with vitreous humor. It's also the largest chamber of the eye. And again, it's this large space that goes between the lens and the rest of the retina. A possible exam question could be, what fills this chamber with one of the chambers marked? Now, returning to this, we have our retina. Okay, the retina is depicted on models as this pink layer shown here. Okay, again, the retina is this pink layer on the model. The ora serrata is this line right here, this line, that separates the ciliary muscles from the retina. So again, this line is the ora serrata. So this darker circle is our macula lutea. This is where light is focused on, so this is where we're going to have most of our vision coming in. Inside the macula lutea, we have this yellow dot depicted here on the model. This yellow dot is the central fovea. This is the area where we have the most precise vision due to the large amount of photoreceptors that are found here. This white spot here is our optic disc. This is where the neurons converge to make our optic nerve, which will head back to our brain. Because the neurons are converging here, there is no space for photoreceptors, so we cannot see any light that hits this area of our eye. So it is commonly referred to as our blind spot. So again, we have our optic disc where our neurons converge, and if we flip the model around this way, we can see that they converge into the optic nerve here that will head towards our brain.